My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites me to the Freedom Factory. And on this episode, we are not working on the V8 go-kart. So I've actually got something even more important than this V8 go-kart. It's actually my 6-year wedding anniversary, and I need to make something a little special for that lovely lady in my life. She lets me work on all this crazy crap and puts up with it, so she deserves it. So if you're just here for the go-kart, I'll see you tomorrow. We'll work on it again tomorrow. But if you're curious, stay tuned and you'll see what I create to give to her for the anniversary. So I did a little bit of research trying to come up with a great idea, and at first I was going to make a heart out of that tubing, and I decided that's going to take a long time to figure out, and we got to do this quick so we can get back to the V8 go-kart. So I think what I've actually decided, and I think it'll be actually a little bit cooler, is to take some old wrenches and nuts and scrap metal and things like that and make a heart out of that stuff. I think it's going to look really cool, and I think it's going to be an awesome idea. It's going to hang on the wall. So let's start finding some stuff and see what we can create. So the first thing I was thinking, this popped right into my head, was use some crappy wrenches to make the long parts of the heart. This one in particular popped up in my head because I've already cut it. So I think that one will be perfect. I don't think it's that useful anymore. It's kind of rusty and has a cool look to it. So I think that's going to be one of them. And let's see if we can find another one in here. Probably around a similar size. Maybe this one. What kind of wrench is it? 14. That's pretty useful, but oh, it's an all trade. That's actually from the first tool set my dad ever bought me. All right, I guess we have to use this one. That's got memories. So yeah, there we go. We got 2 for the long side. Let's see what else we can dig up. All right, I saw this. I don't know for sure if I want to use it, but it definitely has the vibe going on. So we're gonna add it over there, but I don't know if I'm gonna use this or not, but we're gonna put it on the pile because it's got a similar look. So far I've collected these things. I don't know if the push rod will be any good or anything. It may not fit well. This stuff might be all right. And I have this. I don't know if that's going to work too well either. So I'm starting to gather stuff up, and then I'm going to lay it out to make sure it looks cool before I weld it all together. So for the 6th wedding anniversary, the theme is iron. And some of this stuff's probably steel, but I feel like that's a gray area. And also, I don't know who makes up these themes, but we're just rolling with it. Iron is the theme, so we're building a cool project. I think this is what we're gonna go with. That looks pretty cool. So I'm gonna have to lay it on something. I can't weld it on this table because it's plastic. I mean, I guess I could, but then the table would have melted plastic everywhere. It wouldn't work out. So I'm gonna find a board or something, lay this all on there, and I think I'm gonna start here and then just slowly go around and tack them all until it's solid. Check it out. I used anti-spatter spray that I got. I sprayed this whole thing down, and then it pretty much cleaned up with just like brake cleaner. Just took it off, a little wipe. So it took all the like flux core nasty stuff off, and it looks pretty cool. I'm really happy with it. The next thing is, I think we're gonna hang it on the wall, or that would be the idea. And the balance point is kind of like over here on this bolt. So I'm thinking of drilling a hole through this bolt here, this 22R exhaust manifold bolt, like right around there. And I think that'll hold it relatively straight. I screwed it to the wall of the garage just to show you guys how it's gonna hang. It's a little bit crooked, but just the right amount to match the whole charm of this thing. It's not perfect, and I don't know, that's how relationships are, right? So I think it's awesome. It's gonna be a perfect gift for the anniversary, and I think it's gonna look really cool hanging up on the wall. So I think this is cool too. This wrench is from my first tool set my dad bought me. This lug stud is from the Celica that I put the 302 engine in. This lifter is from the 350 we just rebuilt for the go-kart. This is a 22RE exhaust manifold stud. So it's either from my truck, or it could also be from one of the other ones I've messed around with or worked on. This is a lug stud. I want to say this is off of my dad's Torino, but I'm not 100% sure on that. And then this is a locking lug nut that I cut the shank part off, like this part, and I used it on the pulley of the supercharged 22RE. So the cool thing is there's a lot of history within this thing, which is really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I know it's a little different than what I normally do, but hey, we were in the garage, we were fabricating, welding, and making something cool. So at the end of the day, it wasn't that much different, was it? And happy wife, happy life. So we accomplished that goal. I'm happy with how everything turned out. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I'm making a video every single day. So tomorrow we're gonna be making a video on the V8 go-kart.